Okay, what's good internet? It's me Alfie here. Welcome back to another video in this channel. So here today I want to introduce you guys or demonstrate to you guys out there who's been quarantined at home. Life sucks, huh? About practicing the MC sound, the English MC sound. How do it look like? How does that sounds like? I will demonstrate to you guys. So let's practice it together, okay? So the very first one is, the very first practice in creating an English MC is breathing, deep breath. The deep breath. I'm releasing it by saying A, E, U, A, O, or A, U, A, O, vowel sound in Indonesia. So yeah, let's do it. A. Okay. E. Second one. Deep breath. That's good. And then I'll forget to mention, guys, after you did a deep breath, deep breathing, hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, just 5 seconds, 5 or 7 seconds if you can. And then the next word, the next word, next ooh. Ooh. That's enough. E. Okay, the last one is O. Okay, let's go. O. Okay, that's it for the first practicing of English MC sound. The second is breathing, deep breathing, like the previous one that I mentioned before. Releasing it by saying do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay, the previous one is a, u, e, o, which is this vowel sound in Indonesia. But and the second steps is do, re, mi, fa, sol. It's different. Okay, let's do it. Deep breathing as always. Do. That's good. Second one is re. Mi. It's good, quite good. And then fa. Okay, and the last one is sol. Okay, that's enough. The third one is whispering. So whispering, which means berbisik in Indonesia, in bahasa. So in the last practice of English MC is whispering. I have the text here. So yeah, this is the whispering. To sit in solemn silence in a dark in a presidential prison, where I live long dark, awaiting the sensation of a source of song. from a chippy chopper on a big black block. Okay, that's a whispering. By the way, I will put the text on this section here, yeah, between here, so you can practicing at home too. Let's do it again. To sing a solemn silence, it'll dull that talk in a presidential prison with a lift locked up, awaiting the sensation of a sore sapsuck from a chippy chopper on a big black block. Okay, that's good. That's enough for the English MC practicing. By the way, for the last session, for the final session, is you have to repeat it 5 times. Yeah, or maybe more if you want to be a expert English MC sounds. Yeah. That's it, guys. By the way, thank you for watching my videos. You know what government says, just stay at home, don't go outside. If you just go outside, please use your face mask, and yeah, stay healthy, and thank you. It's me Alfie again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.